Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate dollar cost averaging with Acorns, full guide step by step clearly. To automate dollar cost averaging with Acorns, start by downloading the Acorns app from your app. Open the app and create an account if you don't have one already. Follow the prompts to set up your account, entering your personal information and financial details. Once your account is created, log in and navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Invest tab to access your investment options. Select Recurring Investment to set up your dollar cost averaging strategy. Decide how much money you want to invest on a recurring basis. You can choose to invest daily, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. After selecting the frequency, confirm your investment amount. Next, link your bank account to ensure funds can be transferred automatically. Verify the bank account by following the on-screen instructions. Once linked, you'll return to the recurring investment settings. Review all the details to ensure everything is accurate. Save your settings to activate the automated investment plan. Acorns will now automatically invest your specified amount according to the schedule you set. Monitor your account regularly to track performance and adjust your settings if needed. Consider setting reminders to reassess your investment strategy periodically. You are now set to automatically average your investments with Acorns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.